Oh, who's over there, huh? What's she doing? I can just reach down to the floor and pick up any toy I want. Oh, hi. I'll go check on number one. What's the matter, Buckeye?
Were you laughing with Papa? What happened to all your laughing? Riley? And should we look at Sawyer's note to Santa? Didn't quite get that. Oh, is that baby Riley?
Yes.
Does he need to go in his cage?
I think you want. Do you want to go in your cage, baby Riley? Is that what it is?
Oh, he's an older baby Riley because he could tell us what he needs. Oh, baby Riley, you're so strong. And the House of Destruction. Hi. You laughing?